Why do builders love our SIPs? Hey, I'm Sean out at EcoPanels of Tennessee, out at our plant in Hermitage Springs, Tennessee. And there's a number of reasons why builders that we've come to work with end up love using our structurally insulated panels. Now, more and more of the demand is starting to really grow for these high efficiency housing units, or just in general, trying to avoid those really high electric bills. So there's a lot of ways that as a builder, you can use our product and we can really push those limits there for you. So one of the great things about our product is that it is 4.5 inches R26 insulation R value. So that covers a lot of range of good efficiency for your electric bill, but also great insulation to make sure that your interior is staying cool during the summer and staying warm during the winter. Now, they're also 3 times to 4 times as strong as your standard 2x6 construction. So that's another giant pro to using our structurally insulated panels. Now, the great way that you start with us is we go ahead and pre-draw, pre-design all of your panels beforehand, and we will go ahead and put all of your electrical wherever you need it. So a lot of that planning is done on the front end, but when you get through it, a lot of the assembly makes up for that time. So you're always going to be waiting for your foundation more than you're waiting for us. That's how we like it. Now, the last little bit that we do that really pushes that is because it's all done here in the manufacturing plant, it's all going to be straight edged, it's all going to be square, and it's all going to be checked. Every single one of our projects is checked right here in the warehouse before it's delivered to you. So you know that you're getting that great quality every single time. Now, if you have any other questions, or if you just want to talk to us about it, we'd be happy to talk to you as a builder, or you can come to one of our seminars. Now, you can call us, you can email us at info@ecopanelsoftn.com, or you can give us a call located right over here, and we'd be happy to help you. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call, some sort of contact, and we'll be happy to walk you through why this is a great product and you and your customers would love to see it. Thank you.